Hi, Daddy.
Hi. How was school?
Daddy,
Yeah.
would you rather keep your mouth open all day or just keep talking all day nonstop?
What? Okay, show me how like I'd have to keep my mouth open. Like that all day? Or just... Holy cow. Or just...
Or just keep talking. Just like keep talking all day like blah, 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 blah.
I don't know if I'd want to walk around all day with my mouth open. But I think I'd probably rather just talk all day. Maybe I would just talk and talk and talk and talk. Hey, Klara.
Yeah?
If I gave you all the money in the world, what would you go buy?
Oh no. I would go buy myself a puppy, maybe a TV. So you know your office?
Yeah.
We're gonna make that into a new room.
Mm-hmm.
I would go buy stuff to decorate it and make it into like a room of mine. And I would like get a TV, like a room where I can watch TV and eat snacks and stuff. So I would buy like a fridge.
A fridge
I would buy,
to
like,
put stuff in?
I would like buy a mini kitchen.
What would you put in the fridge?
Fruits and stuff.
Fruits and stuff?
Fruits and my favorite snack.
Oh, okay.
And maybe like a few cabinets where I can put snacks that don't go in the fridge.
Good idea. Hey, Joey, what are we going to go do today? Where are we going to go see? What are we going to see?
My uncle's new doggy.
What's his name?
Thunder.
Thunder. What kind of dog is he? Do you remember? He's a pit bull. Yeah, are you excited to go see Thunder?
And I get to see him in person.
Are you going to bring him a toy, you think? Yeah.
I'm gonna stop and go to Petco and get some toys.
That's a great idea. Where are we, Klara?
We're on some dirt.
We're on some dirt.
Yeah, we're going to
Petco. Look both ways.
Because my uncle got a new dog, so we get some toys to him when we get there. Daddy, I want one.
What do you want at one?
I want a bird.
You want a bird?
Yeah.
Well, there's plenty of birds outside.
But I can't capture them.
Well, let's try it. Next time we see a bird outside, let's try to capture one.
Daddy, I was holding one of these.
You were?
At the party.
At the birthday party?
I was holding one of these at the birthday party.
What do they call them? Are they called ferrets?
Yeah, ferrets.
Yeah, ferrets.
Yes, I was holding one of these yesterday at a birthday party.
Wow.
I was holding one of them.
That's awesome.
Everywhere.
Ways to go, puppy. Hey, buddy.
Every time I
Good boy, Thunder. What you got? What you got? What you doing, buddy?
Oh,
Huh? That was a good toy for you, huh? Joey, what you got?
Pancake.
Klara, what you got?
Pancake.
Joey, what you got?
Chocolate chip pancake.
Klara, what do you got?
Chocolate chip pancake.
Joey, what do you got? Klara, what do you got?
I already told you.
Are they good?
Yeah.
Are they good?
Yeah.
Are they chocolatey?
Yeah.
Are they chocolatey?
No.
Hey, Klara,
Yeah?
where are we going?
To get my bird. I'm
To
gonna
do
get
what?
a new